we're more confident than ever that the strategy we launched today, Our Wales, is the right formula for bringing football in Wales to the next level. Within it, there are three big targets for us, which is to double the size of the women and girls game, to grow participation from 90,000 players to 120,000 players. And grassroots facilities, you'll have heard today, comes out loud and clear as a priority for us. Having visited many grassroots clubs, there's waiting lists, there's people queuing up to play football here in Wales. The demand is enormous. But to cater for that demand, we need to have facilities at grassroots level in particular. So that's a big pressure on us, is to put the resources together ourselves with our partners like Welsh Government, Sport Wales and other agencies to ensure that we can deliver the grassroots facilities that we desperately crave.
Wel, fi'n credu bod gêm y merched yn gyffrous iawn ar y funud ledled y byd. I ni'n ffodus iawn yng Nghymru bod y merched ni yn ar lwyfan y byd ar y funud a bod nhw'n gwneud mor dda. Felly mae tyfu gêm y merched yn rhywbeth allweddol, ond byddwn ni'n gweud mae tyfu'r gêm i bawb yn rhywbeth pwysig iawn. A mae yn gêm wir sy'n cael ei wared ledled y byd. A wedyn ni gyda cydweithrediad gyda FIFA a UEFA, mae hwnnw'n beth pwysig i ni. A mwy o gydweithrediad gyda Sport Wales a gyda Llywodraeth Cymru hefyd, fel bod ni yn gallu helpu Llywodraeth Cymru gyda'r agenda sydd gyda nhw ar iechyd er enghraifft. A hefyd ar ffyniant os maen nhw chi, oherwydd mae ffyniant yn dod tu ôl i bêl-droed fel arfer.
Underpinning the strategy, we've got a 6-year business plan, in fact. We worked with partners like UEFA, so we've done a lot of analysis of our funding, of our existing funding and potential funding in the future. So there is a pressure on us to increase our resources, but the trick for us is to make sure that we strenuously protect our funding to focus on our targets. So a strategy allows you to say yes very much to things that are important to us. It also allows you to say no to some things too, because we can't do everything. Our focus, as I say, is on doubling the size of the female game, on growing the participation and grassroots funding. That will be our priority. That doesn't mean we don't do all the other areas of the game, like supporting our pyramid system and so on and so forth. But it just allows us to have a clear focus over the next number of years. And yes, we do need partners to work with us to increase our funding to allow us to reach our potential.